Most people assume that bigger always means better when it comes to mobile carriers, but the truth is far more nuanced. Today, we're comparing Metro by T-Mobile and Verizon Mobile to see which one is the better choice in 2026. Let's start with coverage. Verizon is often praised for its extensive nationwide network. In rural areas or small towns, Verizon generally has the edge, offering stronger signals and fewer drop calls. Metro by T-Mobile, on the other hand, relies on T-Mobile's network, which has improved dramatically in recent years, but can still be weaker in remote regions. Pricing is where Metro shines. Their plans are often significantly cheaper than Verizon's. You can get unlimited talk, text, and data starting around $40 a month, while Verizon's comparable plans usually start closer to $70. Metro also offers perks like taxes and fees included in the price, which makes bills more predictable. Speed and data are another factor. Verizon's 5G network tends to be faster, especially in urban areas. Metro users get access to T-Mobile's 5G, which is growing, but during peak hours, speeds can be slower, and heavy data users may notice throttling. Customer experience is surprisingly important. Metro has simple prepaid plans with no long-term contracts, making it easy to switch or pause service. Verizon has more options and advanced features like international roaming, hotspot data, and premium support, but all of this comes at a higher cost. Most people get this wrong by assuming that Metro is only for budget users. In reality, for urban users who don't need top-tier speeds for nationwide rural coverage, Metro can provide excellent value without sacrificing too much in performance. In conclusion, the choice depends on your priorities. If you want the absolute best coverage, fastest speeds, and advanced features, Verizon is still the leader. But if you value cost savings, simplicity, and reliable service in cities or suburbs, Metro by T-Mobile is a strong contender. Subscribe for more in-depth mobile carrier comparisons and tips so you don't overpay for your plan.